Key benefits of protein for health and athletic performance. Take it away, Coach Mayet. Good morning.
Good morning. Ayun. So thank you very much Coach Jane for emceeing today. Ayan. So good morning to everyone. My name is Samayat Mariano. I'm based in Santa Rosa, Laguna. I'm 58 years old and I've been using Herbalife Nutrition for since 2009. Um, No, sorry, mali ako. I've been using Herbalife Nutrition since 2003. I used it for my postnatal supplements. And then for my other two succeeding pregnancies, I use it as prenatal and postnatal. And of course, for weight loss. Yan. In 2009, kaya na-recall ko yung year na yon. That was the year when we signed up for membership. So imagine, no, that was like 6 years apart before my husband and I decided to sign up for membership. And the only reason was because nandun kami sa Dubai, we couldn't really access it there. So, but in 2009, when we became members, we were able to buy our products here in the Philippines, tapos dinadala namin nun sa Dubai. And ang nangyari lang din nun was because we were not really consistent. Okay, so hindi rin nag-work fully, na hindi namin na-maximize yung potential that Herbalife nutrition supplements could give to our lives. But then when we came back home here for good in 2014, dun nag-start yung ang Herbalife nutrition journey namin. It's a journey because doon nag-start yung I was seriously taking the product. I was consistent because it was available here. I had access to the products and I used it for weight loss kasi at that time 10 years ago I was really nasa borderline na ako din ng ano ko nung glucose level ko. I was obese, okay? And I was feeling so lethargic. Hindi na ako ang tamad-tamad kong gumalaw. Hindi ako makaakyat ng isang flight of stairs na hindi ako na hinihingal. Pati yung paglalakad with my children who were younger then, napapagod ako kaagad. I couldn't keep up with them. But then when I did my Herbalife nutrition program, the Healthy Breakfast program in a nutrition club, um, after a certain period, after actually for me, it took me 10 months to lose 40 pounds and 14 inches of my waistline. And from then, tuloy-tuloy na po yan. It's our family's nutrition partner ever since. Now that I'm into my healthy aging season, ginagamit ko din po yan. I use it, my mom uses it. I'm taking care of my mom who has Parkinson's disease. She's taking the supplements and the shakes. Even my kids now na kasi naging lifestyle na nila to take them until now they're taking that as supplements. And so anong naging result na sa family namin, hindi po kami nag-worry about we're not sickly. Hindi kami yung palapunta sa ospital o sa doktor. We enjoy life as it is. And then if we do get sick, like the occasional colds and flu lang, ganun lang po. And I'm just really thankful for God for that. Kasi nga po, uh, it po talaga yung nag-build ng ano namin ng immune system namin for us to become stronger and to be able to adapt dun sa mga environmental factors that we are now experiencing dito sa mundo natin. I'm happy that I'm here with Herbalife Nutrition kasi I also get to learn how to share, okay, the power of good nutrition in my picture, that picture that's on the screen right now, that's more than 10 years apart. Yung nasa left hand side po, I was really overweight at that time. Nakikita niyo wala na akong collarbone. Yung panga ko parang kasi yung same na ng aking ng leeg ko. Uh, so now I'm just really thankful kasi, I approach I'm approaching my senior years and I'm just happy that I've sustained yung energy na naibigay sa akin ng ng tamang nutrition, and I get that from Herbalife Nutrition, and that's why, you know what, we keep saying that, because of Herbalife Nutrition, I'm living my best life. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sharing with you the three key benefits po of protein para sa kalusugan at even for athletic performance. Yeah. You don't even have to be like sinasabi natin yung mga gymnast ka o athlete ka to say you're going to have athletic performance, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo, we have a innate athletic abilities sa atin. We can move, we can all move. So it's up to us really lang to choose, okay, what kind of sport do we want? Katulad sinabi ni Coach Cecil kanina, for her, it's running. So she's very mobile with that. Ako naman, I don't do running. My husband does running, but I do workouts. Yon, yung strength training. Doon naman ako nag-enjoy. So, let's go to the next slide po, Coach Alvin. Thank you so much for helping me with this. Introduce lang po natin, no? Ito palang article na to is taken from our website, yung Herbalife Nutrition. Yung protein po, napaka-essential po niyan every single day para sa atin. Yung protein po, it becomes more important the more active we are. So kahit nag-housework lang tayo, napaka-importante po niyan. Okay? And while people know that it is important, we don't really understand bakit nga ba siya importante. So we're gonna go dive deeper into that. Bakit nga ba napaka-importante nitong um, Herbalife, itong Herbalife nutrition, yung mga protein, yung lalo-lalo na po yung protein na nutrient. Okay? Unang-una po kasi, yung ating katawan, okay, are actually made up of protein. And so when we take protein, okay, mas nakaka-enhance po ito sa pag-build up ng mga muscles natin. Yung unang benefit po ng pag-take ng protein actually is this. So it helps us feel full longer. Kasi po yung protein po mas marami siyang uh, calories na binibigay sa atin. Okay, kaya po um nakakatulong po 'to na mabusog tayo kaagad. Yan. Kaya habang nag-exercise tayo o nagmo-move tayo, whatever we are doing, whatever form of exercise, whatever form of activity we're doing at home, ah nakakatulong po 'to para hindi tayo nagugutom kaagad. Ayun. Yung second benefit po ng protina, na pagkain ng protina, nakaka-increase po 'to ng metabolism o ng energy natin. Yan. Kasi nga po, nakakatulong siya sa pag-build up ng muscle. Mas bumibilis po yung metabolism natin. Kaya, kasi nga, di ba, because of the calorie content that it has. Kaya, the more that we are burning more energy, the more tayo nakaka-lose ng weight. Kaya, kailangan balance yan, di ba? Sinasabi natin palagi, 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. So, if you balance that, mas nakaka-enhance po yun ng metabolism natin. Nakaka-lose tayo ng weight faster. Yung third benefit po ng protein ay nakakatulong po to sa muscle recovery and growth din natin. Siyempre po, as we exercise, as we move about, yung natitear yung muscle natin, nabi-break down yung muscle natin. And so protein then, when you take it, it also helps to recover na pa niya, parang rini-rebuild niya yung ating muscle. At ang dami pong ang dami pong mga athletes natin that when they do their exercises, nakikita niyo po, they do their post-workout shakes kasi nga po of the presence of yung protein doon sa mga shakes na yon. Ayan. So, mostly po ang tanong, let's go to the next slide, is how much protein should I consume and how often? Ang sabi po ng experts natin, we should aim to consume mga 20 to 40 grams of protein within half an hour after exercising. And so, ang tanong po dyan is, paano ko malalaman if I have 20 to 40 grams of protein? Ang maganda po dito kasi, like, one of our products, okay, for post-workout is called Rebuild. So, let's go to the next slide po. Yan. So, yung next slide po natin shows yung details po ng ating Herbalife Nutrition Revealed. Okay? It has actually, when one serving already has 24 grams of whey and casein protein. So, kaya po ito, when you take this, it's been scientifically proven that aside from having all of those nutrients and vitamins and minerals dun sa isang serving niyan, yung protein content niya, makakatulong po for muscle recovery. Yan. So, yung iba naman po nagtatanong, paano nga kung hindi naman talaga ako athlete? I just do the normal exercise like Zumba or workout. Yan. On the next slide, pakikita naman po natin yung ating mga familiar products, yung Formula 1 nutritional shake mix natin, okay, and yung ating tinatawag na personalized protein powder. Yung 9 grams, so yung soy protein natin sa sa Formula 1 natin, it already has 9 grams of soy protein. Pag sinupplement mo pa yan ng isang scoop ng ating personalized protein powder, that's an additional 5 grams. So, ang total nun is what? 14 grams na. And di ba, we recommend 2 shakes a day para makatulong sa yung mag-lose ng weight. So that makes up for for the 20 to 40 grams. Tapos you include pa the natural sources of protein that you have in your meal plan tulad ng chicken breast or fish, di ba? Or egg, yun. So, ganun po yung malaking tulong sa atin ng pag-take ng protein natin every day and and especially as we exercise. I would just like to highlight po, no, na yung protein po is actually one of the best sources of protein, plant protein, because it already contains iron, omega-3, okay, fiber, calcium, and other essential vitamins. Katulad yung present kanina ni Coach Joy Aison. Now, the other thing pa po is, yung protein po natin is tinatawag natin soy isolate. So, what does it mean? It means po, uh, during manufacturing, na-remove na po yung mga any unwanted fats and carbohydrates from the soybean. Kaya what you get is really the true protein from plant po. Yan. It also, yung pag sinabi natin soy isolate, natatanggal na din po dyan yung components that causes yung pag-increase ng uric acid. Kaya it's very safe po to take. And marami po tayong yung mga coaches natin na nag-talk who already had topics explaining why soy protein is a good quality protein. Marami na rin po tayo diyang mga coaches na nag-explain na why protein is yung high digestibility quality ng protein natin. Kaya po, what you can do with this community, meron po tayong, di ba, na online na group. You can always go back there and look up those previous recordings of those important topics para po makatulong po sa edukasyon natin at mas maging confident tayo na ang tinitake nating mga products ay number 1 in the world. It has the seal of product excellence. Kaya yun po ang ating topic for today and I hope nakatulong po ito sa inyo. Marami pong salamat.
Yan, thank you po Coach Mayet sa inyong napaka-informative topic about the protein naman po ngayon. So thank you everyone sa mga naka-join po at then ganun din po sa mga naka-FB Live. Salamat po sa inyong time and see you everyone bukas po tomorrow. Thank you po.
All right, Jay, thank you. And also thank you